Hello guys, welcome to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram feed not showing on iPhone and Android device. Lot of Instagram user has been reporting to in Instagram feed not showing after new updates and also new post. Now the user's question is what to do for the fixing this issue. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Instagram feed solutions on your iPhone and Android device. When I open the Instagram applications, then you can see also in Instagram main page feed is not showing on iPhone as well as Android device. Now the Instagram users question is what to do for the fixing this issue for the iPhone and Android users. Now the first one solution is clear cache and clear data on your iPhone and iPad. Now the first of all find out the Instagram applications, press and hold. After second last option is app information. In the app informations you can see also storage use is available. Now wait for the calculations of the storage. When the storage calculation is done, now you can see also clear data and clear cache options available. Now please make sure done both on your iPhone and Android device. These first solutions to lot of users fix your problems. Now the second solution is download the old version of the Instagrams in for the iPhone and Android users. Now first of all find out the Chrome and Safari browsers for the iPhone and Android users. Now in my case I will open the Chrome browsers. In Chrome browsers top corner search bar. In search bar search old versions of the Instagrams. Now you can see also first website is available. Now this website link I give you on my descriptions box, so guys please make sure copy and paste. In this website you can see also lot of old versions of the Instagram is available. Now select the any one and download install on your iPhone and Android device. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram, and also thank you so much.